The Philadelphia Mint's primary job was to strike the Morgan silver dollar. So when the dust finally settled in 1921 at the end of the series, they ended up striking more Morgan dollars than every other mint combined. But just because the Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars have the highest mintages on average does not mean they're any easier to find today for collectors. And that's in any condition at all. Once you start looking for them in MS64 or better condition, you begin to realize they're downright scarce. This is something we like to call the mintage mirage phenomenon, where coins with some of the highest mintages actually end up having some of the lowest populations today. And this is a result of the 1918 Pittman Act, when many millions of coins were melted down. And when it came time to melt coins down, they typically grabbed the coins that had the highest mintages. But the problem was several silver runs over the years, and you end up having coins that are among the most abundant by mintage that are rarer than some of the top 10 coins in the series. These three coins from the 1880s at the Philadelphia Mint are the perfect example of this mintage mirage phenomenon. It's the 85, 86, and 87 Morgan dollars struck at the Philadelphia Mint. All of these coins have been certified by NGC to be in stunning MS64 condition. And in that grade or better, for all three of these coins, there is less than 1% of the entire mintage known to still exist. And for all three of them, it's significantly less than just 1%. The 1885 is item number 905-7208. Again, that's 905-7208. If you want the 1886 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar in stunning MS64, it's 905-7210. 905-7210. And the last coin in our trio, the 1887. It's item number 905-7211. One last time, that's 905-7211. You can give us a call at 1-866-518-5933 or head on over to our website, abccoins.com. Then just type those item numbers into the search bar that you see on the page, and at just $129.95 per coin, we are at least $80 less than our nearest competition's price for a stunning MS64 graded piece. But enough about the coins. Let's talk about the mintage figures and the population numbers. You see, in 1885, they would end up striking 17.7 million total coins at the Philadelphia Mint. That's a large enough mintage for it to rank 23rd out of all 29 Morgan dollars struck at the Philadelphia Mint. And by the way, the 85 has the lowest mintage out of all three of these coins. So right off the bat, all three of these are in the bottom 10%, give or take, or bottom 30%, excuse my math there, of the Philadelphia Morgan dollar series, making them some of the most abundant in the series. But their populations show the exact opposite. NGC has certified just 53,536 coins in MS64 or better condition today. That's just one in every 332 coins struck at the Philadelphia Mint in 1885. When you break it down to a percentage, it's less than 1/2 of a single percent. And it's almost half of that. The actual number is 0.3% of the entire mintage is known in this grade or better today with NGC. It's why this coin costs over $210 in MS64 condition with our competition. We're more than $80 less than them at just $129.95. The following year, in 1886, the Philadelphia Mint would strike more silver dollars than the year prior, 19.96 million to be exact. Yet despite having almost 20 million coins in mintage, there are just 96,953 in this grade or better with NGC. That's just one in every 206 coins struck, less than 1/2 of a single percent of the entire mintage. The actual number for this one is 0.48%. That coin too costs over $210 in this grade if you can find it at all. We are $80 less at just $129.95. And then the last coin in this trio, the 1887, the coin with the highest mintage, 20.29 million total coins. Yet today there are just 136, 386 known in this grade or better with NGC. That means only 1 in every 149 coins struck at the Philadelphia Mint in 1887 is in this grade with NGC today. That is just 0.6% of the entire mintage. That is incredible. That it is the most abundant of all three of these coins by population, and you're still barely cracking a little over 1/2 of a single percentage of the entire mintage. At $210 for that coin as well, we are $80 less, which means if you bought all three of these coins with us tonight, not only are you getting 3 coins that are a lot rarer than collectors are truly aware of and are going to become keys in the series for years to come, you're also going to save over $240 versus the price of these 3 coins in certified MS64 condition with our competition. In fact, our value is so good tonight that at $129.95, we are at least $13 less per coin than the price of our competitors' ungraded, uncirculated pieces. So you can grab all 3 of these coins with us tonight in stunning MS64 condition, and you're still going to save almost $40 versus the prices of our competitors' ungraded, uncirculated silver dollars. The Morgan Silver Dollar series is at an all-time high in popularity that we don't foresee ending anytime soon. The U.S. Mint has some big anniversaries coming up in a few years, and we do know they have more Morgan dollars planned for the years ahead. We just recently saw the release of the first ever publicly available proof Morgan dollars and the first ever reverse proof Morgan dollars in 2023. And with all this new popularity and millions of more collectors getting onto the silver dollar bandwagon, these original coins are becoming very hard to find. That's why our competition wants over $210 for an MS64 graded piece. We are more than $80 less than them while our coins last at just $129.95 each. The only bad part about these coins is we don't have an unlimited number of them. Due to their incredible rarity, we only have a handful of each left in stock, and with the phone lines as backed up as they are, I do think it is time that we get moving on. If you're still waiting to speak to one of our operators, please don't hang up. You don't want to miss out on your chance to own silver dollar collecting secrets. Perfect examples of the mintage mirage phenomenon, while also saving yourself up to $240 if you get all 3. But that being said, let's see what we have coming up next.